Hey YouTube, I have another property tour for you. This community is in Jackson, Georgia, and the builder is Stephen Elliot. The sales team is Tamara Wade, sales team with Remax. You can still pick all of your fixings, flooring, countertops, the elevation, which is like the facade, and not a lot of builders will allow you to do that. So this is a great value, not too far from Atlanta, maybe 45 minutes. But you'll really love this home. I'm going to show you the Cheshire and the Yorkshire. So look out for those videos. And as always, I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if I can be of any assistance to you here in the Atlanta metro area, don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.